Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we'll be solving part B, in which we will be covering section 2, 3, 4 and 5 from November 2015 past paper grade 1. So let's start music theory past paper. So today we are going to solve section number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's start with the section 2. And you can write a 1 octave F major scale in semi-breve going up. Use the correct key signature and mark the semitones with a bracket and as S for semitone. So remember things we have to, this is F major, semi-breve going up, key signature, semitones and the bracket and S. So we have to remember all these things. So first let's start with the key signature F major. That means it's a B flat. For B flat in bass clef, this is B flat. This is our key signature. This is done. Next is F major. Now we have to make the 1 octave semi-breve going up. So start the F. So this is G and we can start from here F. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now we have done this, we have done this and this. Now we have to mark the semitones with the bracket. So this is going up. So this is our 3rd and 4th semitone and the 7th and 8th as semitone. Now check, we have made key signature F major going up in a semi-breve. We have made the brackets and mark as semitone. So this is, we have done all things. Okay, in the end you can just mark the end bar. Okay, now next write 1 octave arpeggio of G major in semi-breve going up then down. Use a key signature. So 1 octave arpeggio, G major, semi-breve going up and then down, key signature. Now let's start the key signature. This is treble clef and G major means F sharp. So this is our key signature. Next we have to make arpeggio with the G. So let's start G from here. So we start 1 degree, 1st degree, 3rd degree, 5th degree and then 8th degree, then going down. Okay, because it's showing going up then down, so we have gone up and then we have come down. Let's finish this with the bar lines. So we have made the key signature. This is G major and this is semi-breve and we have gone up and then down. So here we finish this. Now let's move to the section 3. So section 3 says circle 5 different mistakes in the following music, then write it out correctly. So I will say just try on your own first and then try to find out the mistakes in this one if you can. Just take 5 minutes of your own exercise and then come back to this one whenever you can. So now let's try. As I can see, this is bass clef and this is with a G major. I think this is a wrong key signature. This is the worst mistake. Second is this, we are crossing the bar. Third is this stem is wrong. Fourth is this 2/4 time signature. We already have the value of this one and this is the 5th one. Okay, so let's correct it now. First we'll make the bass clef. Okay, now this is sharp, this should be F major, so sorry, G major, and F should be the sharp. So F is on the line, this line, it is not the space, so they're supposed to put it on the line. Then time signature 2/4. Now if you make the, let's make the bar lines first, so it'll be easier us to, so this we are correcting here only. We have corrected now one mistake because this means the end bar and it's not finished yet. So we make this note. Okay, then 2 notes. Okay, now this should be till here. Now they should make bar with these two, not all together. They should be separate, they should be separate. Okay, now the next one is, now the next, you can see this is, we have to make this note here, then this note, and we have to make these two quiver beams together. Okay, because they cannot cross the line here. This was wrong. Now this stem, this is a lower note, so this should be going up. Okay, next we make these notes. These are fine. Now this is, you can see, if you calculate this together, so this makes one value of one crochet, and this is two crochet beads, so that makes three crochet beads, and times in it says 2 by 4. So this was wrong. We have to put here a crochet rest, not the minim rest. Okay, and the fifth one, we have already corrected this one. So this is how we correct our all 5 mistakes. Okay, now let's move to the section 4. So in the part 4, we have to answer the following rhythm. So we just have to make 2 more patterns according to the rhythm given here. We just add on to it. Okay, so you can see 3 by 4, so there should be 3 crochet bead in one bar. So there is 1 2 3, this is 1 2 and 3. So let's continue. We'll make it simple. Let's make a crochet bead first, then let's make one more crochet bead and one more crochet bead. Okay, and just beam, let's make a stem to them. Okay, and then we can do one rest. Yes, we can make one crochet rest, and then we can make one minim bead. Okay, because these 3 are equivalent to 3 crochet bead. Okay, now next you can see is given section 5. Here is an ostinato. Write 2 more repeat of the pattern. So ostinato, you know, it is about the repeating the same pattern again. So we have to repeat it 2 times. So let's make the bar first, bar line. So we make the bar line here, and we finish with the bar line, and just repeat the pattern. So we can see this is 1 quiver, this is second quiver note, then again 1 quiver note. This one is the easy one because there's nothing much into it. You just have to, you know, repeat the same pattern. So there is nothing to worry about this one. Again, you have to do the same thing again. Just make sure that you make the right notes. It should not be up or down. Okay, again. So here we finish our part B, in which we have covered section 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I will see you in the next section, which is section 6. Till then, thank you.